Evolution is constant. Everything around us is evolving. It's our time to create a new reality and challenge the impossible. We dream about a new world where everything is recycled, pollution is less, and non-renewable resources are protected. We are Anangoor Textile Mills, and we are a part of this evolution in fashion. We produce recycled yarn. Anangoor Textile Mills Pvt Ltd is the house of sustainable fashion.
Our company Anangoor Textile Mills Pvt Ltd was established in the year 1997. We have 2 units.
Our first unit was established in the year 1997 with 5,000 rotors capacity. We are one of the leading open-end yarn manufacturers and suppliers of outstanding quality yarns. It has now extended with new generation state-of-the-art machineries such as blow room lines, chute feed carding, draw frame, open-end machines. Using Swiss and German technology, Unit 1 produces 15,000 kilograms of open-end recycled colored yarn, recycled color melange yarn per day.
Our second unit is a ring spinning unit. It was started in the year 2007.
Our second unit was established in 2007 and produced ring spun yarn. We produce nearly 14,000 kilograms of 100% viscose yarn per day. It has now extended with a new generation of open-end machinery producing 12,000 kilograms of high-quality recycled colored yarn and recycled viscose yarn per day. We are backed by an experienced and technically qualified team in the textile industry. They have a collective experience and their involvement has been instrumental in the sustained growth of the company. We also believe in women empowerment as they contribute and focus on growth. At our mills, most of our employees are women, and they have truly been instrumental in the growth and progress of the company. With testing instruments from reputed suppliers around the globe helps us understand global needs and trends to produce quality and sustainable solutions. We have continuous online process monitoring and product quality monitoring. Our products are open-end color yarn and color melange yarn for knitting and weaving, 100% viscose yarn and open-end recycled viscose yarn.
Today's market, the recycled yarn is a major role in all our domestic and international market.
We work on recycled fiber, which is our basic raw material from the waste collected in garments and segregated by color from the cut pieces. This cotton cloth enters the garment knitting process to get recycled into fiber through conditioning. The fiber that comes out is short compared to the original cotton fiber. To add strength, colored polyester fiber is mixed with this recycled fiber. Once the fiber comes out as a solid material, it's sent to the production department for the next process. Here we use the open-end spinning process to spin the fiber to yarn. The spun yarn is now taken to knitting as the other dyeing and washing processes are eliminated as the yarn is spun in a particular color and sent to washing and compacting process. We have our own knitting division, open with mire and C machines. This is then sent to cutting, followed by other tailoring processes to come out as a finished knitted garment. We have our own garments factory exporting hosiery garments to international markets and domestic brands. This entire process focuses on the sustainable method of yarn production that ensures usage of less machinery.
Recycled yarn reduce the usage of water, air and other sources.
We are using almost 95% of our own renewable energy from our solar power plants and windmills. We have 7 megawatt solar power plant in land and 3 megawatt power plant on rooftop and 5 megawatt in windmills. We have certifications, namely RCS, Recycled Claim Standard, and GRS, Global Recycled Standard. Our clients are spread across Tirupur, Ludhiana, Delhi, Kolkata and export markets. We at Anangoor Textile Mills focus on sustainable solutions with the advent of technological inputs. We serve to ensure best quality in the most sustainable manner for a better future and better living. This social responsibility is not just for us, but for all. Anangoor Textile Mills Pvt Ltd. From fibre to fashion.